Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to this gorgeous Tuesday. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping. It is a great day to learn some math. We are still practicing our subtraction strategies. Today we are going to use the number line to add up. So first, what I would like you to do is your page should look like this with this little bracelet, and it should be page 169 down here. 169. All right. The first thing that I want you to do is use this white space right here to try to solve. There are 54 children at camp. 27 are girls. How many boys are at camp? So go ahead and hit pause and try to solve that. All right. Did you solve the problem? What strategy did you use? Did you use a number line? Okay. I was looking over the weekend at the math from last week, and lots of friends did not use the number line. Remember, if the number line's not your favorite strategy, after this you don't have to use it. But for this, we do need to practice using it, so that way we do get that practice, and that way I can help you understand it better. All right, so I'm going to use a number line, and today we're practicing counting up. That is a horrible line, but that's okay. So we're practicing counting up. Counting up means I have to start with the lower number. So at my number line, on my number line, I'm going to start with 27. All right. Well, I want to count up easily, right? So I know 20 plus 20, big jump, I jumped 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. And then I just have to add the 7. Okay. So now I need the 7. So I'm at 47 right now, and I need to get to 54. Well, 47 is close to 50. So I'm going to come to 50. What 47 plus what equals 50? 3, right? So I jump 3. Now I still need to get to 54, so I need to jump 4 more to get to 54, right? Here's where the tricky part is. I jumped 4. So I started at 27 and I ended at 54. I started at 27 because I knew that that's how many girls there are, and I went to 54 because that's how many children there are. So when I count up, my answer is going to be my hops. Well, it just so happens 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 plus 4 is 27. So there are 27 boys. There is the same amount of boys as girls. All right. The next page is going to explain this a little bit better. So here is the model it. You can add tens first. So 27 plus 20 is showing you the hop to 47. 47 plus 3 is 50. 50 plus 4 is 54. And that is just showing you there. Then you can add to make a 10. So instead of adding 20 and went from 27 to 40, I could have went from 27 to 30, and then had it be an even 10 number to count by, so 30 to 50. So you split up the 3 and the 4. So these are two different ways that you can do this problem on the number line. I do want to look at the connected page. Look at the model it. What number do you start with? Oh, in the first model it. So in the first model it, it's this one. This one's 1. And this one's 2. What number did they start with? They started with 27, right? So you would write 27. What number did they stop at? Well, they stopped at 54. Look at the second model it. Why did you add 3? Why did you add 3? 27 plus 3 equals 30, right? Could be something like that. 27 plus 3 equals 30, making a 10, which is what we were doing, was making a 10. It takes me way too long to write with my mouse. I'm just going to write make 10. Alright. What is 54 minus 27? I want you to go ahead and solve this. Don't do number 4. You want to do number 5. So I want you to do number 3, and then on your own, you're going to you're going to use 6, 7, and 8 on page 172. Okay? All right. Have a great day, guys.